Okay, I've just got today a new camera from company Wansview. Model of this camera is K1. We are going to unbox this camera. We're going to set up to connect this camera to our mobile phone, and we are going to mount this camera on our window and see how it works. But let's see what camera Wansview K1 is. It's sharp 2K resolution for clear video, especially when looking through glass. Thanks to its anti-glare technology, the setup is super easy, taking just 5 minutes with a tool-free magnetic mount. It also features a vivid full-color night vision and intelligent human detection to give you accurate alerts without false alarms. There is two-way talk on this camera. That means this camera has a microphone and a speaker, so you can talk to people who are next to camera. It has motion alert. That means you can set this camera to send you alerts every time somebody or something is walking around your house, but you don't have to use this option if you have lots of people, lots of cars going by your house. So basically, if you want to set motion alert, probably the best idea will be to mount this camera to monitor back of your house where you don't have lots of people, lots of cars walking around your property. It has magnetic mount. That means you get few different mounts that you can attach to your Windows glass and then attach the camera on the mount. The most important mount, in my opinion, is mount with angle. Basically, that means if you want to record footage from, let's say, first or second floor or flat or from your house, you have this mount that is with angle, so it can monitor area in front of your property. You can insert MicroSD card. That means you don't have to pay for cloud storage like other company provides this option. You paid monthly subscription. It's not cheap. So basically, for this camera, you insert your SD card. You don't have to pay anyone except buying SD card that is not coming with the camera, and that's all. All your footage that you record goes straight on your microSD. When you fill your microSD, it will start over from basically delete all this footage and start recording on top of it. So basically, if you want to record longer period of time, you have to buy SD card. Just make sure you don't buy bigger than 128 gigabytes, which is maximum that this camera will accept. It has low light full color option. That means it will record during the night in full color, which is very different to other cameras. And I would say this 3 megapixel sensor in this camera is extremely good, and you can see all faces, all reg numbers, and most of the time during the night you can see the same. What is important to know about this camera is that you use mobile application to connect this camera to your mobile phone, and setting of this camera is extremely easy and it doesn't take longer than 2 minutes. Basically, you can connect unlimited number of cameras to your mobile phone app if you buy from the company. You have reviews of some of other cameras from this company on my YouTube channel. What it comes in box is everything you need for this camera. That means you get the camera, you get mounts, you get even manual. Important is as well, you get a sticker. That's basically by the law, you have to have it present if you want to record public space. The build of this camera is okay. I can't say it's amazing, but according to price of this camera, which is just over 20 pounds, I would say it's acceptable. Basically front is completely black and it's not gonna be extremely visible from the street. Plastic is okay, it's not extremely glossy. On the back you have speaker and you have Type-C connector. You get USB cable with Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other side. You get on the camera on the right hand side there is a place where you insert your SD card, and it has sticker which is interesting on top that it says this side up, because if you mount it on a different way video will be upside down. If you don't like position of your camera on one of windows in your house, you can always move it everywhere. It's extremely easy. You have a glue on front of this mount. You just glue it to another window, place camera on top of it, and that's it. Who is this camera for? I would say mainly this camera is designated and made for private properties, for people who don't want to pay massive, big, expensive monthly subscriptions for big CCTV companies. I wouldn't say somebody needs to be scared how to install this camera or how to set up for this camera, because it's extremely easy, and it's not gonna take more than 2 minutes to set the app, to stick mount on your window, stick camera on top of the mount and plug it into electricity. Camera doesn't have any battery inside, so it has to be plugged in all the time. So you have to think it needs to be next to a socket. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in next one. Cheers.